Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can use a proxy server on Google Chrome. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can use a proxy server in Google Chrome. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So aside from using a default proxy server and IP addresses and so on, you might want to use a custom one. Well, in that case, what we will do is first of all, we will go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Once you open up Google Chrome, on the very top right hand side, you will find this three dot, which is the mini icon. So tap on the three dot icon, and over here you want to go ahead and simply select settings. As soon as you select settings, you'll see all of these options. On the left hand side, you can simply see this option which says system, and if you don't see it, you might have to tap on the advanced button in order to enable these options. So I will tap on system. Basically, as I tap on system, on the right hand side you'll find this option which says open your computer's proxy settings. So I will tap on this open computer's proxy settings, and you'll see this settings option, and over here what we have to do is you can see it says use a proxy server. So what you have to do is simply tap on the setup button. As you tap on the setup button, here make sure to turn on the toggle, and you have to simply enter a proxy IP address and a port which you want as the default proxy server, except for addresses that start with the following entries, use semicolons or separate entries and so on. You could also simply select don't use a proxy server for local internet addresses and so on, and then simply tap on the save button. As you've done that, you can come back to Google Chrome and you could simply go ahead and then use your computer's proxy settings. And this is how you can set up and use a proxy server on Google Chrome. Hopefully this video helped you, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.